What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to go over just some things that I got going on. And as you can see, I do not have any of my cars in the garage. I've actually got a 84 anniversary I'm doing some work on. And then I'll show you a few other things that I've been working on, a couple projects. And some of the projects that I'm working on are actually for you guys. So stay tuned. I'll show you what I got going on. So here's the engine bay of this 84 anniversary. It's got a built motor. I mean, everything's done to this thing except for ARP hardware. It was a customer from my work, and we did some dyno tuning on it, and he had a factory turbo that was re-wheeled and things like that. But the turbo it wasn't making power. With just the heads flow too much on this thing, and he's got big cams in it. So his stock turbo just wasn't enough, so we decided to switch it up, and he has a Pulsar. It's their version of the Garrett G25 660. So we've got that on here, and then he's got a certified muffler intercooler kit and full exhaust, so I had to build a short little downpipe for it and then just change up his intercooler piping just a little bit, and he's getting that sent out and powder coated. So here's the short little downpipe I had to make because he doesn't have the turbo elbow anymore. I had to make this to connect to a stock exhaust, and it's really tight to the steering shaft, so I had to notch it out. Not too proud of the welding, but everything's going to hold up pretty well. Put him an O2 bung so he can put his factory O2 sensor in. So there's that. It's all V-band, and then it'll hook up to a stock exhaust. This car's got AC. I mean, everything works in this car. We're really hoping to get around 400 horsepower out of it. So it should be pretty cool. All right. So here's something for you guys. I know there's not really been a market for exhaust systems and stuff like that, and there's just a handful of guys that are kind of keeping the Z31 parts afloat and making stuff. So I'm going to try and do my best, and I'm actually building a downpipe and a 3-inch catback. So I'll start with the downpipe and show you that. So first things first, I have built a downpipe that bolts up to the factory turbo. It's got a O2 bung for your wideband, and it bolts up to your stock cat. And I'm actually, at the moment, trying to do some pre-orders on social media. I'll put the link in the description below. I've got it on a couple of the Z31 groups. So this is the downpipe that I'm going to be selling. Alright, so here is the next thing I've been working on. It is a 3-inch catback. Right now I'm using a Carvin muffler. I like how it sounds. It sounds pretty good. Gets rid of quite a bit of the rasp, at least with the factory cat on the car. I haven't made a test pipe yet to hear it without one, but it's got a good tone. It's decently quiet. We've got your 3-inch flange at the cat, then it goes over the subframe with a hanger, and then V-band instead of the slip fit like the certified muffler kit was. And then, of course, your V-band for the other side, and then goes into a 3-inch muffler, and then a nice 4-inch tip. But I've still got to make a fixture for this, and I haven't finalized what kind of price I want to do or anything like that. But for now, I'm just doing the downpipes. But whenever I get my fixture and everything ready for the exhaust, I will let everybody know, and then I'll have these up for sale. But for now, I only got the sale of the downpipes going on. guys, what's going on? Just wanted to give y'all a quick update of what's going on in the garage. Got the downpipe pre-order going on. Definitely jump on that. Got the catbacks that I'm working on. Let me know how it sounds to you. If I need to change something, let me know. Still got to figure out what I'm going to do about the option for twin tips, because I know a lot of people like the twin tip option. Yeah, just shoot some ideas my way. Let me know what you think. Jump on the pre-order. Yeah, but that's it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and have a good night.